Hello everybody, welcome back to another Discovery Kitchen. My name is Sylvia and I'm a registered dietitian, and we've got Chef Mario.
Hey, glad you're back.
Yes.
Hope you're gonna have a great start off to your new schooling, wherever you're gonna go. I hope you didn't transfer to and leave your old friends, but if you did, that's okay. I got something here to power you up and make you happy again.
Yes.
Not to worry.
So our Discovery Kitchen theme this month is Power Up. So powering up your athletic performance, your body to be able to perform and do well throughout the day. So let's talk about the three things we'll be preparing today, Mario. What are they?
Well, I'm gonna start off with boiled eggs. I think
eggs.
boiled eggs is really important.
Yes,
Because it's something versatile, something you can throw in a salad, something you have for breakfast, something you can have anytime.
It's a snack even, because it's easy to transport.
Would you call that a smart snack?
Yes, I would. So it's powering up your performance. So if let's say you're going to athletics, or you're going to PE, or you're gonna play your sport and you need a snack, you're hungry, it's been too long since lunch, you could easily have a hard-boiled egg in between classes and before your practice. It's a great source of protein, so that's good for fueling your athletic performance.
Oh yes. And
We got our egg here. You can have one or two. Two is fine. It should be enough. Cut it in half. And how long did you boil these? There's so many different.
Good question. I'm glad you
I always
asked.
see the boil times and how the egg looks.
Yes, everybody has all kinds of answers for that one, but Miss Sylvia, I'm the only one. But I will tell you this, from my experience, it is important that you begin your water
boiling, right?
Boiling.
Yes.
That you get plenty of water.
Okay.
Big,
to cover.
Good size pot, depends. Okay. And I would cook, if you're gonna cook one, cook six.
Right, because you're already boiling the water, might as well.
Boil the water, but wait till it's boiled. You have to be patient. This is the thing, you have to be patient, because you have to wait for the water to boil. Once it's boiling, you need a slotted spoon, something like this.
Right.
That will pick up that egg, that you can get that egg and set it in the water so that it doesn't break.
Crack.
Then it's cracked and you got all this egg white floating all over the place, foam and everything. See, that has happened to me. So I now have learned that you put the egg down.
And you let it slowly go into the pot.
Slowly go into the pot. Don't drop it. Just literally set it
in there.
In the pot.
Okay.
Set it in the pot and do that with all of them and let it boil. So, once you put all the eggs in there, then you turn around and set a timer.
Okay.
And boil for at least 12 minutes.
Yes. Okay, and that's how long I boil my eggs.
12 minutes. Boiling. And don't stop any sooner. Wait till it goes.
Yes. Yes. I did that once, and they were not cooked all the way through.
Andale. And then you turn off the fire.
Yes.
And then it's still not done. You have to let it slip another 13 to 15 minutes of sleep.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Literally. Let it just sit there.
Okay, in the water.
In the water.
Okay.
Okay. Then, see, and you have to be patient.
And there's an ice bath too, right?
And then
that's
there's
what I do.
Ice bath. Then I would recommend you get, now it says that you could run cold water. But hello. just put ice and put all your eggs in there and they will melt slowly.
Right, because they're so hot.
And they'll slowly shock into cold, Mm-hmm. And then put that in the refrigerator and let it sit at least 30 minutes to an hour and you're ready.
Okay. And I heard that the ice bath is important because if you don't, then it's hard to peel your eggs. Ever had the problem of trying to get the shell off and it's sticking to the egg and the whole egg rips apart? It's a disaster. So when you put them in the ice water, it kind of makes it shrink a little bit and pull away from the shell.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's a theory, and it's worked for me and for Chef Mario too.
It works.
It makes it easy to peel.
Oh, yes.
So very important tips there.
Oh, yes.
Awesome. Okay, well, that's our hard-boiled egg. That's our first power-up snack. So what's our next one?
The next one is yogurt and fruit. And I'll tell you what,
fruit parfait.
Very, very important that now you can choose your yogurt,
yes,
right?
Let's talk about yogurts. Yeah, this is just a regular vanilla yogurt, but I actually prefer Greek yogurt because it's higher in protein, which would be even better to power up your performance. Protein's very important throughout the day, and sometimes you might not be getting enough. You might think you are, but it's sometimes hard to get it in there if you're not eating like a meat every single meal. So Greek yogurt is a great option. Or if you really don't like that, that's okay. You can do regular yogurt. There's also like, if you can't have dairy, there's soy yogurt or even oat milk yogurt, even like coconut yogurt. There's so many options now. So many things to choose from, but all of them are great. Also, yogurt has probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that helps keep your gut nice and healthy because our microbiota in our gut is very important and it regulates a lot of things. We're still doing a lot of research about it, but all those good bacteria do a lot for your body. So yogurt has those good bacteria.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay, and then what type of fruit did you use, Mario?
That's a good question. Very berries. You know, I didn't use raspberry, although I think raspberry would be good.
Let's see what we got.
But I've got blackberries, I've got strawberries, and I got blueberries.
Strawberries, blueberries,
That's a good
blackberries. I like all of those. Those are really good.
And that's a blackberry.
Oh, that's a really big blueberry.
That's a blackberry. About as big as that. No, that's a blueberry.
That's
about as big as a blackberry.
Blackberry, yeah. Wow. Those are awesome.
Very delicious. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's our fruit yogurt parfait. On to the next. What is the next one?
The next one is going to be the avocado salad.
Ooh.
And this is what I'm going to make for you there.
Yes.
And
I love avocados. Can you show the avocado? The avocado looked like he went to Harvard. They always make funny remarks. It's such a beautiful green.
Yes, and
perfect
It's
avocado.
perfect, and you know what? It's ready to be eaten.
Yes.
And now I heard, speaking of eating, I heard that you should be eating your bones with avocado. Is that?
Eating your what?
This.
That with your avocado?
Can you believe that?
No, I only heard that you would put that into your guacamole so it doesn't brown, right? You would put the pit in there so it helps it not brown, but I didn't think you could eat the seed.
I don't know, man.
I wouldn't want to eat the seed.
That's what they say.
It's better for planting in the ground. I don't want to eat it.
It's those people out of California.
Hey, the avocados come from California and Mexico.
And, Mexico.
Yes. Avocado is, that one's pretty too. It's a fat, but it's a healthy fat. And so it's good to eat avocados in moderation. Can't eat the whole avocado, it's a lot. But about half or a quarter is good.
I'll eat the whole thing.
You'll eat the whole thing. I know Mario loves avocados.
Love avocado.
It's okay every once in a while, but it is a fat. So just like your butter or your oil, it goes into that category. So just be careful and mindful of how much you're eating. But we're gonna be mixing it with some tomatoes, right? Which type?
I've got some heirloom tomatoes that I put a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper, and olive oil.
Ooh.
So
that's nice.
This is a salad that I would highly recommend you make for yourself, for the dinner, for the lunch.
It could be a side, right, for whatever you're eating.
Yeah.
It could be good on toast even, I think. Or maybe like a salsa?
Maybe even a little bit of spinach.
A bit of spinach. Whichever way, really. It looks good. We've got our tomatoes again. Those are rich in vitamin C, which help boost your immune system. Also vitamin A, which is really good for your eye health and helps, like your eye health, but like helps you see in the dark. So as you age, right, your retinas and your eyes, they are not as good as adjusting to light when it's dark. And making sure you eat plenty of vitamin A is important in that adjustment to light, especially during the nighttime. So
we have our avocado ready to go.
Delicious. What do you eat that with normally?
Normally,
you just like that?
Yeah, I usually have it like that, but with my dinner, which would be accompanied with a fillet of salmon.
Ooh, salmon would be nice. Okay.
A fillet of salmon, usually with that and some asparagus.
Okay, that sounds great.
Perfecto.
Awesome. Well, those are really simple, really quick. But I mean, not every recipe is super complicated to be delicious. So thank you, Mario, for sharing these.
You're welcome. And I think it's important that, they take time out to energize the body and power up.
Power up, yes.
And it's so good for you, so good for your body to take care of it. You only have one of them.
Right. So you got to take care of it and nourish it well. So these are our recipes. We'll share them with you at the end of the video. And we hope you try them at home.
So from our kitchen Discovery Kitchen to your home.
To your home. We'll catch you next time.
Yes, and we'll come back.